Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kaya. In today's video we're going to make a Kenyan staple called Ugali. Welcome. For this we'll be needing maize flour and water. In a pot, add in water, approximately 1.5 cups, and let it come to a boil. Our water is now boiling. We will add in flour little by little and stir. You're cooking on low heat. You can see everything is incorporated. We'll just give it some few minutes to cook before we turn. Keep turning your ugali so that it can cook thoroughly. Our ugali is now cooked. We're going to mold into the shape that we want, then serve. Now molded my ugali. I'm going to plate it now. Our ugali is ready and this is the final product. Enjoy when it's hot.